Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 6, 2025. Dennis Padilla, muling nakasama sina Julia, Claudia, at Leon, love you all. Dennis Padilla, an actor-comedian, has finally reunited with his children Julia, Claudia, and Leon Barreto, marking what many netizens are calling a moment of healing for everyone online. Noong linggo, April 6, ibinahagi ni Dennis ang isang larawan kamakailan sa kanyang Instagram account that captured a tender moment with his 3 children, whom he shares with his former partner Marjorie Barreto. Sa larawan, makikita silang 4 na magkakasamang nakangiti, isang tanawin na nagdulot ng kagalakan sa mga matagal ng tagasunod ng kwento ng pamilya lalo na matapos ang mga taon ng ups and downs na nakapalibot kay Dennis at sa kanyang mga anak. In the photo, Dennis included a simple yet heartfelt message, "Love you all," while in the caption, he added, "Miss you mga anak," expressing his longing and affection for his 3 children. Ang post ay mabilis na gumawa ng mga alon sa online, kasama ang mga tagahanga at tagasunod na bumahas sa mga komento ng mga pagbati at mga mensahe ng suporta, habang marami ang nagpahayag ng kanilang kaligayahan sa panonood ng muling pagsasama. Dennis' relationship with his children, particularly his kids with Marjorie, has been rocky and highly publicized over the years, one that has constantly made headlines back in the day as well. In 2021, when he guested on Julia's YouTube channel, Dennis humbly admitted his past mistakes and even claimed that Marjorie, his former partner, had no fault, prompting Julia to thank him. Gayunpaman, hindi nagtagal ay naging mabato muli ang relasyon, lalo na matapos kumpirmahin ni Julia na wala siyang kontak sa kanyang ama sa isang pakikipanayam niya kay Karen Davila noong Setyembre ng 2022. During that interview, Julia expressed wanting more love and protection from her own father. "I just need more love, more protection. I just feel like he should be my number 1 protector and that's not really what I'm getting right now from him, so it does hurt. It does hurt because dapat siya yung tinatakbuhan ko, diba? But it's sad that I can't," she said. As previously reported by Kami, Dennis Padilla dedicated a song to his children. He took to Instagram to share a video of him singing "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas." The celebrity dad could not help but turn emotional while singing. The veteran actor also showed his handwritten note expressing his love for his children. Samantala, kamakailan lamang ay muling nagkita sina Dennis Padilla at ang kanyang mga anak na sina Gavin at Maddie. Ibinahagi ng veteranong aktor sa social media ang larawan ng emosyonal na sandali na naranasan nila sa kanilang reunion. Tulad ng nakikita sa snapshot, mainit na niyakap ni Dennis ang kanyang mga minamahal na anak. Ayon sa celebrity dad, 4 na taon na niyang hindi nakita sina Gavin at Maddie. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.